Building a business in 2026 is an incredible journey, but one of the most common roadblocks is the lack of a credit history. Many entrepreneurs feel stuck because they need credit to build credit, and they do not know where to start. Today, we are going to break down the best easy approval business credit cards for 2026 that are perfect for those with no credit history. The financial landscape has evolved significantly this year, and traditional banks are no longer the only gatekeepers. We have seen a massive shift toward fintech companies that prioritize your business potential over your personal past. This means that even if you are starting from zero or have a thin file, there are doors wide open for you. In this 10-minute guide, we will walk through the top cards available right now, the strategies to get approved, and how to build a rock-solid business credit profile that will serve you for years to come. The biggest change in 2026 is the rise of cash flow-based underwriting. In the past, banks only cared about your personal FICO score, but now many lenders look at your actual business activity. They want to see how much money is coming into your bank account and how you manage your expenses. This is great news for new founders because it levels the playing field. If you have a business that is generating revenue, or if you have some stuck capital in a bank account, you can get a high-limit credit card without a single hard pull on your personal credit. Let us start with one of the biggest names in this space, which is Brex. Brex has completely redefined what a corporate card looks like in 2026. They offer a card specifically designed for startups and small businesses that does not require a personal guarantee. This is a huge advantage because it means your personal assets are not on the line if your business faces challenges. Brex does not check your personal credit score. Instead, they ask you to link your business bank account so that I can analyze your cash flow. In 2026, Brex has lowered their requirements, making it accessible for even smaller businesses that might only have $10,000 or $20,000 in their account. They offer incredible rewards on software subscriptions and travel, which are common expenses for any new company. Next, we have Ramp, which is another powerhouse in the no credit check category. Ramp is famous for its simple 1.5% cash back on every single purchase. Like Brex, Ramp uses cash flow underwriting. They focus on how much money you have and how fast your business is growing. Their approval process is incredibly fast and often takes less than 5 minutes. In 2026, Ramp has integrated advanced expense management tools that help you save money by identifying unused subscriptions. For an entrepreneur with no credit history, Ramp is a dream because it provides high limits based on your actual bank balance rather than an arbitrary score from a credit bureau. If you are looking for a complete financial home, Mercury is a fantastic option. Mercury is not just a credit card provider, but a full banking platform built for startups. When you open a Mercury bank account, you can apply for the Mercury EO card. Since they already see your deposits and transactions, they do not need to look at your personal credit history. The Mercury EO card is an excellent first step because it integrates perfectly with your business account. This makes it very easy to manage your cash and ensure you never miss a payment. In 2026, Mercury has added even more perks for international founders, making it a top choice for those who are building businesses from anywhere in the world. Now, some of you might be starting with very little cash in the bank and absolutely no credit history. In this situation, your best path is a secured business credit card. Secured cards are a guaranteed way to get approved because you provide a secured deposit that acts as your credit limit. This removes the risk for the bank and allows you to prove your reliability. The Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Card is a standout in 2026. You can start with a deposit as low as $1,000. What makes this card special is that it offers real rewards and a clear path to graduation. If you pay your bill on time, for several months Bank of America will review your account and potentially return your deposit, while letting you keep the credit line. This is how you bridge the gap from having no credit to having a premium unsecured card. Another excellent secured option is the Discover It Business Card. Discover is legendary for its customer service and its willingness to work with people who are just starting out. They report your payment history to the major business credit bureaus, which is exactly what you need to build your score. In 2026, Discover has increased their cash back categories for business owners, making it a very competitive choice, even compared to unsecured cards. If you want a card that requires absolutely no credit check and offers guaranteed approval, you should look at OpenSea. They have a business version of their popular secured card that does not even perform a soft pull on your credit. As long as you have the deposit and a valid business entity, you are approved. This is the ultimate starting point for anyone who has been rejected by everyone else. While it may not have the highest rewards, it is a powerful tool for building the foundation of your business credit profile. Let us talk about the strategy for getting approved in 2026. Even with easy approval cards, you want to make sure your business looks as professional as possible. The automated systems used by lenders look for specific signals. First, make sure you have a registered entity like an LLC or a corporation. Applying as a sole proprietor is often much harder because the lender has to rely more on your personal history. Second, you must have an employer identification number from the IRS. This is your business's social security number, and it is essential for building credit. Third, you should have a dedicated business phone number and a professional business email address. Using a generic email like Gmail or a personal cell phone number can sometimes flag your application as high risk. Another secret to building credit with no history is using Net30 vendors. These are companies that allow you to buy products today and pay for them in 30 days. Many of these companies, like Healing or Cool, report your payments to the business credit bureaus. By opening accounts with these vendors and paying them early, you can establish a business credit score in as little as 90 days. This score is called a Paydex score, and it is what larger banks look at when deciding whether to give you a loan or a high-limit credit card. In 2026, we are also seeing the growth of retail business cards. Companies like Amazon and Home Depot have business credit lines that are often easier to get than a traditional Visa. The Amazon Business American Express card is a great example. While it is an American Express card, they have specific criteria for the business side that can be more flexible for new owners. If you spend a lot of money on Amazon for your business, this card can save you 5% on your purchases while building your credit at the same time. It is also important to mention fuel cards like WEX or Fleeker. If your business involves any kind of driving or delivery, these cards are very easy to get. They are designed for businesses of all sizes and often do not require a personal credit check. They report your activity frequently, which helps you build a profile very fast. Just remember that these are usually net terms cards, meaning you must pay the balance in full every month. As we look toward the future of business finance in 2026, it is clear that transparency and data are the new currency. The best thing you can do for your business is to stay organized. Keep your personal and business expenses completely separate from day one. This makes it much easier for lenders to see that you are running a serious operation. When you apply for a card that uses cash flow underwriting, having clean bank statements will significantly increase your chances of a high credit limit. Building credit with no history takes time, but it is one of the most valuable assets you can have. It allows you to grow your business using the bank's money instead of your own. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses, and it gives you the power to negotiate better terms with suppliers. Start with one of the cards we discussed today and use it responsibly. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. In 2026, the system is built to reward those who are consistent